So are cold brew and iced coffee the same thing? No, they are not. Not quite. They're both cold coffee, but they're brewed in different ways. So there's actually 3 different ways to make cold coffee. I'll go through them one by one. So the first one, cold brew, is made by steeping coffee for 12 to 24 hours in cold water. The second way, traditionally iced coffee, is made by brewing coffee hot and then slowly cooling it down. And if coffee cools slowly, it actually develops a lot of bitterness. The third way to brew iced coffee cold or cold coffee, there's a way of brewing iced coffee that captures the brightness and complexity of hot brew, but not the bitterness of traditional iced coffee. And that's called flash brew. It requires brewing coffee hot directly over ice. And this flash cools the coffee that is being brewed. It cools it really quickly. Therefore, you're avoiding that bitterness that's created when coffee cools more slowly. And we actually have another video showing you how to brew coffee that way. So check it out.